Hello everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. Today we have the classic 65 Red Mustang. Definitely everybody's favorite, by far. I mean, just look how she looks. The red, black interior. Let's take a look around the other side. Not much to say about it. She's a classic. On the inside we have a black interior, the wood steering wheel, along with the classic dash. It is an automatic, which I know some people love manuals, but this one drives great, feels great. Beautiful interior. The red and the black, I mean, still today, everybody's favorite. Let's go ahead and take a look on the under the hood. Hey, Al.
Hey, Mark. Oh, got us a 1966 Mustang. Mark, the guy that owns this car, has owned it since it was only 2 years old. The title we have on the car is one of the original small little titles. It's quite cool. The car has been repainted, and it was probably painted 15 years ago. But this car has sat for a good 6-7 years. When he was sick, we retuned it up and redid what it needs, and it drives like $1 million. It's got that factory feel to it because it's never been tore up. 3-speed automatic transmission. Look at that steering wheel, Mark.
Wow.
No wobble to it. Just nice and straight, doing 60 miles an hour.
And that's the original kind of wood, right?
That's the original wood, yeah. Yeah,
it's a nice car. It's a classic red Mustang, you know.
Yeah, Poppy Red.
Catches everybody's eye.
289 cubic inch V8.
Okay.
Blinkers on, turn signals all work. We made sure. Bright lights, backup lights. All the electronics in the car are good, as you can see. So we're going to spin her around so you can put her up on the lift and show its originality, which is kind of cool. With these Mustangs, if it wasn't for Mustangs, probably wouldn't be a classic car. How nice it turns, no creaking. Put on the gas pedal, the way she goes, shifts out really nice. And it looks good, doesn't it? I mean, it really has a great look. And forget, you got to shut the blinkers off with these old cars, they don't do it themselves. So I'm going to get her back into the shop and open up the hood and let everybody see.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, Mark. Thank you.
All right. Here's the 65 Mustang up on the lift. Let's take a look underneath. Strong undercarriage. Wheelbases look great. Nice and strong. Clean. I mean, just a classic. Absolute classic. The Mustangs are everybody's favorite, as it might be yours as you're watching this video. And this one can be yours. Just give us a call, shoot us a message. We'd love to get you off the lot. We can do a live FaceTime to go over the car, take a ride live with me. But I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for checking out the video.